Hello and welcome to Tipton in the West Midlands. Today we're going to go to Mad O'Rourke's world famous pie factory. Yes, it's right, it's pie time. Let's go get some pie. You can see from the outside of the building this place dates back to 1923. The pie factory, Mad O'Rourke's world famous pie factory. You can get your frozen pies here, merchandise, food served all day, every day, and I have to say it's very tasty. Let's get in there and give it a go. If you know anything about me, you know I love blue plaques, especially on the Rich on Tour channel and also here on this one as well. Let's see what it says. This is from the Tipton Civic Society. The Five Ways Hotel, built 1857, rebuilt 1923 and renamed the Doughty Arms after Councillor W.W. Doughty, Chairman of Tipton Council, and converted in 1987 to the Pie Factory. And it says it's the home of Lump Hammer, one of the local ales here. Tipton is in the Black Country between Wolverhampton and Birmingham. It's an old industrial area, and the Mad O'Rourke's Pie Factory is famous not just in the area but wider afield. Just inside here you can feel the vibe of the place. It's such a friendly place. There's so much the pride in their local pies here. It's proper Bostin pies they are, and it's a really nice vibe here. It's a friendly place, as I say. There's this sign on the wall about the history of the place, partly factual, partly humorous, so you can pause that and have a read of that. And it's really nice food as well. So look at these options you got for the pie: 100% bullocks, henpecked pie, Andy Murray pie, Jack the Lad, all these different options here, and also pie of the week as well, spicy Cajun chicken. I went for the steak and ale pie and it was really nice. All the produce was sourced locally, and everyone in here on this Sunday lunchtime was really enjoying themselves. It's a nice place. What about the food though? Here it is. Here's the pie and the chips. Very nice. So let's have a closer look now. The chips were so tasty. They were really nice. You could tell they were being properly cooked, and there's so much meat in the pie, and it was nice, good quality meat as well. Yeah, let's give it a try. The chip advisor, he seems to like it. Yes, he says it's spot on. Mad O'Rourke's pie and the chips here, very nice. I'm just looking at the chunks of meat here, good quality meat. This was really nice. You could tell it was proper steak rather than just the smaller pieces you get in some places, but it was really tasty. And yeah, a little bit messy and dribbling down a little bit, but that doesn't stop me. Let's get stuck into it. I have to say that the taste was just making you feel like, oh wow, this is really tasty. It was really nice. I had a long journey to face afterwards, but this was a perfect meal to set me off on my way. Even dunking my chips in the gravy as well. That was really nice. It was definitely a whole meal experience. Everything about it was so tasty. It was something that I would definitely recommend if you're in the Black Country area between Wolverhampton, Dudley, Birmingham. Then come to the Pie Factory. The food, lovely. I mean, that topping there was, the puff pastry was really nice. I finished it all. That's nice. So I got through it all and I was really full afterwards. Outside in the beer garden area, you've got something to entertain the kids with Desperate Dan, and it says eat pie, drink wine, everything will be just fine. And there's the car park off the main road there as well. So there's lots going on here. Lots and lots at the Mad O'Rourke's Pie Factory in Tipton. And it definitely is a unique Black Country experience. So I definitely enjoyed that. Mad O'Rourke's Pie Factory here in Tipton. Very enjoyable pie, very enjoyable chips, and it was really filling. That set me up for my journey back home again now, back up to Yorkshire. So from Tipton, Thank you for watching. Don't forget, click like, follow, subscribe, all that kind of stuff, and I'll see you on the next video. Ta-ra a bit.